Welcome to another video on how to add and manage multiple shipping addresses on Shein. I'm Akin from Create, Login and Delete, and let's get started. First, log into your Shein account. If you don't have an account, create one by signing up on the Shein website. Once you're logged in, hover over your account icon or name at the bottom right corner of the page, and now click on the gear-like icon at the upper right corner. Once you're on the settings page, look for address book option and click on it. This will take you to the page where you can manage your shipping addresses. To add a new shipping address, click on Add New Address button or a similar option provided. This will open a form where you can enter the details of the new address. Now fill in the required information such as recipient's name, street address, city, state or province, zip or postal code, and contact number. Some optional fields might include company name, district, and any additional instructions. After entering the address details, review the information to ensure its accuracy and then click on the Save or Add Address button to add the new address to your address book. To manage your addresses, you can edit or delete existing ones in the address book. You'll see a list of your saved addresses. Look for the options to edit or delete next to each address. If you want to edit an address, click on Edit or Modify option. This will allow you to make changes to the address details. After editing, remember to click Save to update the changes. You can also set a default shipping address by sliding the toggle right next to Set as Default. This will ensure that your default address is automatically selected during the checkout process unless you choose a different address. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to add and manage multiple shipping addresses on Shein. Remember to review your address details carefully to avoid any delivery issues. So I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please like, share, and subscribe to us for more great content. Thanks for watching.